I'm just finishing up slicing my puff pastry here into some nice big squares. Yes, you guys, now you're gonna go ahead and right away you're gonna take those squares and you're gonna take them right over to your muffin tin and you're just gonna set them into the muffin tin, just making this cute little cup right here with your puff pastry. Just go ahead and do that with all of your little muffin spaces. Ooh, these are gonna be delicious. We are setting in our last square here. We're gonna go ahead and slide that over, and nice and quickly, we're gonna bring in some lemon curd. Oh, can I open it? Oh, there we go, you guys. Those workouts have been paying off. Look at that. I am nice and strong there. Okay, so we're gonna grab a spoonful of lemon curd, and we're gonna stick it right there in the bottom of the puff pastry. Doesn't have to be too technical, just about a scoop of lemon curd works absolutely perfectly. I'm whipping these up this evening. A little nice, fun summer dessert that is so easy. So far, we only are working with the puff pastry and the lemon curd, and we're moving right along here. Yum, the lemon smells amazing. Okay, so we got those bad boys filled up a little bit with that lemon curd. We're gonna stick them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for 15 minutes, and stick around because the best part is yet to come. Yummy, these are looking really tasty. Look at that lemon curd just baked into that puff pastry. I love it. Okay, you guys, I don't know if you've ever seen this yet, but we have some no-bake cheesecake filling and it is going to be phenomenal in this. So I'm just gonna take a scoop and you'll see I'm just putting it right on top of that lemon curd. There is not much more that I love than a little bit of a tart lemon with this puff pastry and this really, really delicious cream cheese filling. So far we have 3 ingredients here, just the puff pastry, the lemon curd, and the cream cheese filling, and we are whipping together a really easy sweet treat I'm gonna put out tonight. And I love this for when the weather's warm and summer. It goes so well. You know, lemon and just that fruity flavor with the cream cheese, I love it for the summertime. So we filled those bad boys up, and now we are gonna grab some fresh blueberries. Oof, I love this combination because the blueberries give it a little bit of texture and that cream cheese, and we're just gonna go in, let's see, I don't know how many we're gonna put, 3, 4, 5. How many should we put, babe? I'm gonna do 5.
Okay, yeah.
I think 5 is a good number, you know, and we'll have this little blueberry pop of deliciousness with that texture in with the lemon and the cream cheese. Need I say more, you guys? Put as many berries on as you like. If you'd switch up the kind of berries, oh sure, go ahead and do that. And you know what else I just thought? These would probably be really cute for the 4th of July and out at a barbecue. You could even do red, white, and blue with this. Oh, I might end up having to make these again because I really love that idea. All right, you guys, I'm gonna let these set a little bit more for right now. I can't hardly wait though, so I'm just gonna pull this one out right here. Look at that. I love how the puff pastry just forms nice. Now, don't forget we have that lemon curd in the middle along with the cream cheese and the blueberry. All right, here we go. That is, amazing. I love the lemon curd baked into the crust. The flavor is so tasty and it goes well with that cream cheese filling, and the blueberries, the whole blueberries, that crunch of that and the juiciness is so great for some added freshness, you guys. I hope you love this easy recipe. We're working with 4 ingredients here. Really, how much easier could it get? If I can do it, you can do it, you guys. Let me know what you think of this recipe, if there's any ways that you do to change it up, and we'll see you guys later.